iPhone 17 Honest Review. The iPhone 17 comes with Apple's latest A19 Bionic chip, which is blazing fast and makes multitasking incredibly smooth. The new battery design offers slightly better endurance than the iPhone 16, comfortably lasting a full day of heavy use. The display is brighter with improved color accuracy, which is perfect for streaming and gaming. The biggest highlight is the upgraded camera system. Low light performance has improved significantly, and the new 5 times telephoto lens, which is exclusive to the Pro models, but is now available on the standard iPhone 17. On the downside, the design feels very familiar, and if you own the iPhone 16, the improvements may not feel dramatic. The pricing is also a bit higher compared to last year's model. So, overall, the iPhone 17 is a fantastic device for anyone coming from an iPhone 14 or older versions. But if you already own a 16, you might want to hold off unless you really need the camera upgrade. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.